Moving on. Oh, this is strange. Something is up here. Have I been hacked? Traffic, a cybercrime tool that makes those pesky ClickFix attacks look like a walk in the park. For just a meager $800, you can ruin someone's day with fake browser glitches. ClickFix, for those who wonder, is a social engineering technique where you're tricked into executing dangerous commands under the pretense of fixing technical problems, or, my favorite, verifying your identity. Well, who knew verifying your identity was the key to fixing your network issues? Well, here's how traffic works. Some tech wizard with the alias LenAI was selling this on Russian-speaking hacking forums. What a surprise. It's a traffic distribution system that does all the scary, glitchy work, and all you need is a compromised website. And it's user-friendly too. Talk about customer service. If you're a regular website visitor and you don't meet their targeting criteria, all is well, it's business as usual. But if they've got you in their sights, oh boy, the glitches you'll see. Corrupt text, symbol fonts, fake Chrome updates, missing fonts, the possibilities are endless. This page is broken, and guess what? You need a solution. And that solution takes shape in the form of a PowerShell command added to your clipboard with some good old JavaScript. Execute the command, and bang, you have welcomed a payload into your life. But fear not, they have something for everyone. Whether you're a Windows, Android, Mac OS, or even a Linux fan, they've got you covered. Is geography a problem, you ask? Not with air traffic. Pick your targeted countries and release the hounds. But do note, Commonwealth of Independent States countries are off limits. That's convenient. These harvested data are then sold on darknet markets or used to further spread the joy of the air traffic script. But let's give credit where credit is due. The folks at Hudson Rock are reporting this stuff to us. So, in a world where you can't trust a glitch on your webpage, remember to stay safe, be suspicious, and for the love of all things digital, don't click on that urgent Chrome update.